Write captivating content effortlessly with Gamma, the AI tool revolutionizing presentations and copywriting. Gamma is an AI-powered tool that makes it easy to write beautiful and engaging content without the hassle of formatting and design work. With one-click templates and no-code editing, you can create polished documents, presentations, and web pages in seconds. It is a versatile tool that offers flexible templates for beautifully designed content that is on-brand and visually appealing. One of the standout features of Gamma is its ability to create interactive and engaging content. You can embed GIFs, videos, charts, and even websites into your content, making it more visual and interactive than a traditional document or slide deck. This is particularly useful for breaking down complex ideas into bite-sized, easy-to-understand content that is both memorable and engaging. Gamma also offers built-in analytics, quick reactions, and comments, allowing you to engage with your audience on any device. You can track how users interact with your content and gather valuable insights to improve future presentations. Additionally, you can collaborate with team members in real time to create visually appealing and interactive content. The tool is suitable for a variety of use cases. It can be used to create engaging presentations for company all-hands meetings, share polished and adaptable content with potential clients, convert documents into interactive presentations, and collaborate with team members on visually appealing and interactive content. Overall, Gamma is a powerful tool that combines the visual appeal of a doc, the collaboration features of a slide deck, and the interactivity of a video. It provides a new medium for presenting ideas and content, and its AI-powered features make it quick and easy to create professional-looking and engaging content. In terms of alternatives, Gamma is not the only AI tool available in the market. There are several other options to consider depending on your specific needs. Some notable alternatives include Humata AI, which offers an engaged audience through professional presentations, Bluebee AI, which allows you to create interactive AI-driven chatbots, and AI Graphics, which helps you create stunning visuals quickly with AI-powered tools. In conclusion, Gamma is a versatile and powerful AI tool that makes it easy to create beautiful and engaging content. Its one-click templates, no-code editing, and interactive features set it apart from traditional document and presentation tools. With its built-in analytics and collaboration features, it is a useful tool for both individual users and teams. Consider Gamma for your content creation needs and explore other alternatives to find the perfect fit for your specific requirements.